like you to take a little moment and think about the house you left. Mine was warm, it was safe, and it was a fine place to live and work. Not every Minnesotan has that ability, and we think that every Minnesotan deserves to be safe and warm in their home. Sometimes they're choosing between groceries and staying warm. That's not a choice we want anyone to make. So I want to talk today about our energy assistance program, our weatherization program, and the cold weather rule, all of which provide protections for Minnesotans throughout the winter. So the weatherization and the energy assistance program help lower your bills, and it's a really great example of why Minnesota's one of the best is on its path to be the best place for kids and families in the country. So energy assistance program is a program that can provide you help with your energy bills, can help with furnace repairs and replacements, and it can help in emergencies. So if you have an emergency that you may be disconnected, you can apply for the program. As of December 11th, so today, we've served 59,000 households already. About half of those households have a person over the age of 60. About half have a resident living with a disability, and about 1 in 5 have children under the age of 6. We've paid out almost $34 million to cover energy bills, and that's a statewide average of $570 per household. We've also provided emergency response to prevent over 7,000 disconnections, 1,200 emergency fuel deliveries, and 1,300 emergency furnace repairs. This is really critical for those folks who are, experiencing hardship.